Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. Today we're going to be working on the donor parts that we were working on last time. After we get them all prepped, we're going to remove any sort of surface contaminants with some isopropyl alcohol. We're going to tape off any areas that we don't want to paint, and we're going to get them into this spray booth and get them all painted up. Let's go. Alright, so we finished painting and here are the parts. The only ones that I had an issue with were the axles here. They've got some orange boot on the back that does not like to accept the epoxy paint, but that's totally fine. I'm actually okay with that. Everything else looks real clean. Real happy that we got all the rust and all the dirt and everything off of them before we started. It left the nice clean finish for everything. I'm glad to put something in the car that looks new as opposed to something that looks like it's been driven 150,000 miles. So yeah, super stoked on how they turned out. Still have to do the last control arms, but they should be relatively easy considering that they're brand new. The frame should be coming back from powdercoat pretty soon. We're around Thanksgiving time right now, so either right before or right after Thanksgiving, I should get the frame back and we can start actually assembling the Goblin. So that's it for today. Parts turned out great, super pumped about the way that they look. The axle boot that's got the paint that's coming off of it, I figure, if that's the worst of it, then, I'm pretty happy there. There were a couple of parts that I was having trouble getting the paint to stick with, and ended up just using the metal drill brush to drill brush over that area a couple of times, create some new scratches, get some more surface area, and the paint grabbed on really nice after that. So that solved that problem, and yeah. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching.